because if you're getting that early start, obviously you're watching us, maybe you're ready to head out soon. It's comfortable. We have Woodridge at 54, New Paltz at 56 degrees, Newburgh coming in at 61, Claryville, our spot that's dipped into the 40s this morning, 48 there. Forest Hills at 67. You saw those beautiful clear skies looking off to the east. Garden City at 66 degrees, Elizabeth now at 67. So we'll enjoy this beautiful sunshine, especially early on. Just a few clouds later on. There may be a pop-up sprinkle or two in between that, say, lunchtime and late afternoon time frame, but not a washout. Otherwise, we're good. And then a nice evening. Take it outside by 7 p.m. 73 degrees and light winds all the way. All right, let's see what may be slowing us down. I like the word improvement already. Adele, you're seeing something a little bit better?
Yes, you don't get to hear very often. I have good
bit off that cooler water. With that said, again, a nice start. Belmar at 64, same in Merrick, 67 at Central Park. We're down to 56 in Poughkeepsie, Sussex at 57. There's that beautiful bright sky. So enjoy that early sunshine. It stays with us near 80 degrees already by lunchtime. So go ahead and take lunch outside. Humidity stays in check. We may see a sprinkle or two along with a few clouds from time to time heading into the afternoon, but again, not a big deal, not everywhere, not all the time at all. And then should be a good evening. Temperatures slowly falling back down into the 60s overnight. All right, let's see how we're shaping up this morning along with the clear skies. Clear sailing out there? You've got some delays already?
Not necessarily clear sailing, but you know what? We'll
maybe making it one more day. Pleasant. We have 67 in Monmouth Beach, South Seaside Park in the 60s, Sayreville at 57 degrees. And if it was a Hudson Valley getaway, nice, cool, and pleasant. New Paltz at 55 degrees, Poughkeepsie at 56. Right now in the upper 60s at Central Park. Lots of sunshine early on. It'll be about 70 degrees at 9 a.m. Take lunch outside. We've got temperatures pushing the upper 70s by then. Partly sunny skies for the afternoon. Maybe a passing sprinkle. I got to throw that in there just in case, but otherwise pleasant. Even through this evening, temperatures staying into the mid 70s. All right, so let's check out the situation if you are about ready to grab the keys and head out the door. What's going on, Adele?
Oh, we're definitely starting to see a few more slowdowns out there. One of those areas
right there, just about in the middle of the shot. 66 at Central Park, Newark at 65. 55 in Sussex, nice, cool, pleasant 55 in Poughkeepsie as well. 63 in Islip. So nothing on the radar, not much on the satellite picture, just enough of that cloudiness there to make for a pretty sunrise. So yes, bright skies by 1 o'clock, mostly sunny, already pushing near 80 degrees, which is about our high. A little cooler at the coast with this east wind kicking in, and maybe a sprinkle or two that passes by, nothing to worry about. And then by later on this evening, pleasant 7 p.m. temperatures still in the low 70s. All right, you heard the headline. A few crashes. That means a few slowdowns to say the least. Adele, what are you watching?
Yeah, we've got a few things that have just popped up, and you know, as we mentioned,
temperatures that'll be a little bit cooler because of an east wind. I'll show you that in a second. But out there now, generally in the 60s. From White Plains at 62, Merrick at 64. We're sitting at 66 in the city. North and west, though, from Clinton and Poughkeepsie, right now in the mid 50s. So we're headed close to 80 degrees already by lunchtime with some sunshine. I do say between noon and 5 p.m. there may be a passing sprinkle. Don't worry about it. Things are going to be quiet otherwise. 77 through 5 p.m. It looks like a nice evening, too. 68 degrees, but we'll start to see a little more clouds, especially as we get toward the morning hours. So more on that in a second, but let's get you out the door because it's been pretty quiet in some of the big spots like the GW, not too bad, but you've got slowdowns you're watching.
Yeah, definitely not completely in the clear, and it's going to be actually a little tough navigating